everyone, welcome back to Kawaii Art and Travel, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a DIY puppet theater. First, you will need the materials: a pen, 2 toilet paper tubes, construction paper, sewed fabric, 2 pairs of chopsticks and 1 single chopstick, clips, 1 cardboard box, 4 bottle caps, string, and a utility knife. You also need some tape. First, I'm gonna color the toilet paper tubes by wrapping them in colored paper, or you could just paint over it. Then you cut out your stencils or the heads and the tails or whatever you need, and then you just tape them to the toilet paper tube on the top or on the side. On the sides and the bottom of the toilet paper tubes, and you put string through them. String to bottle caps, and then tape them to inside or outside of the toilet paper tube. Get the string and then tape them to the inside of it, of the toilet paper tube, and then you tie 2 pairs of chopsticks together. The string on the toilet paper tube to the chopsticks tied in a cross. Then there should be 4 strings, because you're attaching 2 strings to the legs, except for the dog. Now we're gonna start making the puppet theater. First you cut this hole on the side of the tube. It's optional, but I like it. Then you cut one on the top. Now you take the 2 pieces of sewed fabric at the top, and then you get one very long stick or chopsticks in the case I'm using, and then you attach it there. But first, before I attach that, I'm gluing a backdrop onto the back of the so-called theater. Add final details like I did and hang the puppets over the top. I added a humidifier on the side to act as if it was a smoke machine. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.